Are you an expert at something? Are you a really good with lots of knowledge and an expert in maybe mechanics, maybe with computers and peripherals, maybe with firearms, maybe with veterinarian, maybe you're an expert with horses or farm animals, maybe you're an expert with farm equipment. Whatever you are an expert with, well, today this video is for you because I'm going to show you how you can take that expertise and make anywhere from $2,000 to $7,000 per month just answering questions for people who are seeking what you know. Alrighty, well, if this sounds good to you, also you want to stick around too, because later in the video I've got a bonus way that you can even make more money with this as well. So this video is for you. Stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. But first, like I always do, I want to invite people who are new to my videos or new to my channel to reach down below anytime during the video there if you feel like it. Reach down below the video there and click that little subscribe button right there. And don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos such as this one here today as well. Okay? Alright guys, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. It's going to be a very long video, but it's going to be a pretty good one for you. If you are an expert at something, you're going to learn how to make a bunch more money on top of what you probably already do. Okay? Alright, so the site we're going to come to is this site right here, guys. It's called Just Answer right here. You see it? Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's justanswer.com right here. And what this site is people can come here who have questions on anything, whatever the topic may be, and they're looking for an answer for their question to help them through their dilemma or whatever it is to help move them forward in whatever it is they're seeking knowledge on. And you are going to be that person that can help them and give them that knowledge that can give them a breakthrough in whatever it is that they're looking for and whatever problem they're having. Okay, so you can see that here it's called Revolutionize Professional Services here. You can get access to experts on lawyers, doctors, vets, mechanics. You see here electronic techs, computer techs, electricians, plumbers, tax accountants, and more. And if we click on more, we can scroll down here. It shows you even more right here. It says experts will answer your questions on relationship care, parenting, entertainment, wedding, jobs, firearms repair, etiquette, dream interpretation, even clock repair, guys. If you're an expert in repairing clocks, well, they're going to need you on this site as well. And genealogy and fraud examiner, appraisers and things like that, guys. It's just whatever you are an expert in, people will be looking for you on this site right here to help them with their problem or their issue. Okay, and now it says here how it works for the people. So just ask your question and then get matched up with an expert in that area and then chat with an expert and then they'll pay for it and they get the answer to their question. But now, how does this help you? Right, you're here because you want to make more money with this and so on and so forth. So it comes down and tells a little bit more about it here and so on and so forth for people that are looking for help. Okay, but let's see how we can make some money with this as an expert. So what you want to do is you want to come up here on the top and you see right here where it says for experts right here, guys. You want to click on for experts and that brings you over here to this page on Just Answer here, and you can see right here that you can earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 per month by answering questions in your field of expertise. It says earn money when you answer questions in your field of expertise and set your own hours, work anytime you want and anywhere. That's right, guys. This is not an employment opportunity. This is not, you're not going to be an employee. You're not even going to be an independent contractor. I don't think. You're just going to sign up on this site as an expert and get approved and be able to answer questions whenever you want. In fact, you can even answer your own questions that you want, and you don't have to answer any, or you can answer them all, whatever you want. You have total freedom here. As you see right here how it works, it says make money doing what you love, leverage your professional expertise to answer people's questions and earn cash. Work anywhere and anytime. All you need is an internet connection and a computer, and yeah, you can even do this on your smartphone as well. So yeah, if you could be on a beach somewhere and do this and answer these questions and make money while you're swimming at the beach or whatever, you know. It says here is to work as much as you want and set your own hours, and even choose the questions that you want to answer. So you're not set to any certain questions. You don't have to answer any of them if you don't want to, or you just pick the ones that you want to answer, and so on and so forth. It's a lot of freedom I'm seeing here on this site, guys. If you're an expert here, you get a lot of freedom on this site to do, will pretty much answer anything that you want. It talks about the application process here. You just simply apply online. They will do a little background check on you here with their third-party verification, and then you just simply start making money. And to do that, you just want to come up here and click on apply right here, guys, and it brings you to this little application right here, and you just simply fill out your first name, last name, put in your email address, and so on and so forth, and then you can choose your category and so on that you want to be an expert in, and then you go through next and walk through their application process right here. Now they do have some frequently asked questions down here, and then it says right here the application process usually takes less than 2 weeks in the USA and Canada and less than 3 weeks elsewhere. So that tells me right there, elsewhere, guys, that this is available anywhere in the world. You could do this at, and guys, this is all 100% free. There's no cost to sign up here to be an expert and to be able to make this kind of money, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. Okay, and then it talks about down here about how will I get paid. It says experts get their platform earnings every month through Hyperwallet, or you can choose to receive your payments through direct deposit to your bank account or to your PayPal or Venmo for US only. And then they have other, I guess in the expert agreement here, they'll have maybe other payment arrangements that you can use as well. And it says right here, do I choose my own customers and questions? And right here, you always get to choose the questions that you want to answer. How cool is that, right? So guys, you just want to come up here and just simply begin the process right here and get yourself approved on this site, and you can begin to make anywhere from $2,000 to $7,000 a month with this particular site right here, guys, using your expertise to make that kind of money. That's really a good thing. It's all free to do this. Now, I told you earlier in this video that there was going to be a bonus here on how you can even make more money with this right here. Well, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom right here, guys, and then look over here under the column that says just answer right here. And if you come down here, you see where it says, where my mouse is, it says affiliates right here, guys. Yep, they've got even an affiliate program. We click on that, and it says make money while helping your visitors earn cash quickly with the world's largest expert question and answer site. And you join for free right here, and it says right here, it says Just Answer is the leading expert help site with over 16 million questions answered since 2003. So they've been around a long time, guys, for well almost 10 years now. And it says your customers can chat directly with doctors, lawyers, mechanics, and any other experts in just minutes and stuff. It says, and you can earn $15 per sale, and with our high converting chat, you could earn thousands per month. It says right here, guys, thousands per month with their affiliate program. On top of you, if you're on here as an expert, this is going to be even on top of that. And then you certainly just come down through here and you can read this, guys. And they have top performing chat widgets that you can use on your site. If you have a website, you can even put these on a landing page as well, probably, and set it up and market your affiliate program here on this site in probably places like Facebook groups. You could even run paid ads to it if you wanted to. I mean, you could just use your imagination. You can advertise it on Instagram. You can advertise it, probably on LinkedIn and probably even on Pinterest, anywhere that you can put these little chat widgets and different things here and your affiliate link. Guys, you can direct people over here and get them to sign up on this site as well, as an expert as well, and or just even to get their questions answered, and you're going to make an extra, it's about $5 to $15 per sale, it says right there. So guys, that's what you can do. You can come over here today, get signed up with this site, and become an expert with your knowledge on this site that your expertise in, and begin to make $2,000 to $7,000 a month and take advantage of the affiliate program as well. And you should be making some pretty good money in the long run, I would say here. starting today. You can do this today. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you liked that video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It gave you some value for this. If you're an expert, I'm sure you'd like this. This will be a great plus to your income. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell down there. And then also, if you have any questions about this video or whatever, just leave them down below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to learn how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to reach down there below the video on the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out my free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands per day is a possibility. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care and have an awesome day. Don't forget to click up here on where you see these other videos are at. They'll help you make money as well online too as well. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. You guys have a great day. Talk at you later. Bye-bye now.